This is an unusual looking lift at Canary Wharf. Oh, good one. Oh, door. Cool. It's a access for all lift.
Oh yeah, access for all.
Doors closing.
It's like a Phoenix lift, this is. Because it has that type of vibe in it.
Doors closing.
Press and hold down. Oh yeah, I think you have to hold the button.
Going up.
Capacity 400 kilos or 2 persons or 1 person and a person in the wheelchair.
It looks almost like Phoenix.
Yeah, a bit like Phoenix, but I think it's actually been refurbished by Access for All.
Oh, look, here's the top of the doors
I
on
think
floor 1. Ooh,
there's down button.
we haven't done this lift before.
Benno's most hated buttons. Dewhurst buttons. Nice place this is. Wow.
First floor. Doors opening.
I think. There we go.
Cool.
And that's it.
Glass platform lift. That's it. Hey now, look, mirrored wall.
Hello again. I think these are, I believe, the ThyssenKrupp lifts at Canary Wharf in London. Canada Place. Lift number P6. There's a display there.
Oh, listen to that.
That sounds pretty cute.
Parking level 3.
We got parking 3.
Doors opening.
Mirrored wall. Hi guys.
Hello. And nice place. We'll go back down to up to M.
M for mall.
Is this a hydraulic lift? Because this actually sounds nice.
I think it's traction.
Retail mall level.
What's the difference between a hydraulic and a traction lift again? I get confused sometimes.
It's the hydraulic one is like from the bottom, and it uses hydraulic fluid and oil.
And then the traction lifts at the
The
top.
traction's like a roped one, I think. Yeah, and it's like a motor and stuff like that.
Is the other lift here?
And that's it, guys.
And a place in London.
These are so nice, aren't they? So where are we now? We're M.
Yep, we're at M.
Oh, you can go down or up. Oh,
Yeah.
nice. So I think we have to go to 2.
2. Mitsubishi lift. 21 persons, 1,600 kilos.
Oh, I love that chime.
Oh yes, iconic, isn't it?
Wow, this looks nice.
Yeah, that looks luxurious.
Let's go to parking 3.
Parking 3. Iconic closing door chime.
Mm.
And then 1 G, which is S, M, 1 parking 1 parking. There's parking 3, which is parking orange. And then I think it's M we want to go back
Yeah,
to.
back to M. M for mall.
M for retail mall. So parking level 3 is orange. And
Oh,
then parking
someone else is getting
level
in.
2 is blue. What floor do you want?
2. I can do it. Thank you.
And then I think parking 1 is red.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, parking 1 is red.
There we go.
The retail hall. And that would be it. This is a bonus escalator.
I'm not sure what this is.
Canada Place in London.
This is a mystery escalator.
I don't know what escalator this is actually.
This is mysterious. Let's see if we can see what this is.
It's a Kone.
Oh, okay. Nice. That will be it. Here's the outside, Canary Wharf. That's it.
Lift at Canary Wharf, Canada Place, London. So we're at M, just so they know. So we'll go up to street.
Doors closing.
What type of lift is this? This is an ALS lift because I can tell by the blue buttons.
Is it ThyssenKrupp again?
No, it's an ALS because I'm not sure.
Oh, okay.
Ooh,
Doors opening.
That was levelling.
this is weird.
We're sort of in the back here.
So we're in street now. We'll go down to parking 3, which is the orange car park. Sounds like a rabbit in here. Or maybe even a guinea pig.
Parking level 3. Doors opening.
I don't understand what type of lift this is. I don't know what floor to go back to.
Let's go to M, yeah.
Doors closing.
Retail mall. We're going back up to M, which is the retail mall.
Hi, guys.
What's up?
Retail mall level.
Here we are at retail mall.
Doors opening.
And
Cool.
that's it.
Yeah, this is sort of in the back area, this.
Doors closing.
Nice cab.
This is the lift at. This is the lift at Canada Place Jubilee Line Station. Oh, this is a different one.
Ooh.
-1.
Yeah?
Stentergate voice, is it? Is that what it's called?
Stenogate?
Stentergate, that's it. 800 persons, 10 persons. Generic display, or cheap display actually.
Mm.
Doors opening.
Ooh.
Oh, let's just see here. We'll go back up to 0. The display still says 0 on it.
Oh, yeah.
And that's what I call a cheap display. Because it doesn't even say -1 on it.
I like the motor.
I swear this isn't the lift I filmed in 2022, I think it is. Level 2021.
Yeah, I'm not really sure. It's got quite an abrupt break, this.
There's the shaft. More escalators. That's
Cab view.
This is staff only.
That's it.